All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, people suck. People suck. We all deal with it in this industry where you've got customers that, oh, it didn't do that before, or ever since you, or my favorite, doesn't even know how to describe what's wrong with their car. Example, I had a customer come back today. First visit was no crank, no start. Okay, I cranked it a bunch, never did anything. Okay, I can't duplicate. She came back today, or yesterday actually, and it changed. Now it's a crank, no start. And it was after a hot soak, translated by service writer. But anyway, so I let it sit there and idle for an hour this morning, shut it off, came back 15 minutes later, started right up. Test drove it, parked it, started right up. All right, so also on that note, a little housekeeping. So there's been a little bit of added toxicity in the community, and I wanted to address some of that because, well, I don't think I've ever actually publicly talked about it, at least on YouTube. I've talked to it to fellow YouTubers, but I never here. I have a strict policy. When it comes to a viewer disputing my video, I say the sky is blue, they say the sky is pink. I might question them, but I'm not going to do anything to that post. I don't care if they vehemently disagree with my opinion on a subject, the post stays. Where I draw the line on this is personal attacks. You personally call me something, delete. If it becomes a pattern, you are hidden from the channel. You can post all you want. No one will ever see it. Being called a thief gets you banned. Sorry. People suck. That's my opinion. If you are toxic to somebody in the community, and I know you've done it before, you're getting banned. If you're, making ugly comments about me, my appearance, personal attacks are deleted. If it's a pattern, you get banned. Let's get back to the main video. You get other people that claim you damaged their car, and sometimes it's true. We had a car that was recently keyed while in our parking lot. I mean, keyed all the way down the side of the vehicle. So not always is, not always do people just suck. Sometimes, other people suck. And, the people that complaining are the victims of something like that example. Unfortunately, that was an example of somebody keying a car. And, well, unfortunately, we had to fix the vehicle because it was on our property. But the customer didn't suck. Some D-bag, they sucked. And unfortunately, thefts and, just the general, well, I hate people. I do. I was talking to Cole the other day, and we were having a discussion. He's like, I hate cars. I hate people. I just hate people. I don't mind cars. He was having a rough day. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. Be nice in the comments. Question the content all you want. Don't attack anybody.